Welcome to Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Today we'll be covering ArcGIS Pro, nesting an Iterator model tool in ModelBuilder. Let's get started. I have here a map of the U.S. continent by counties and state. It's an Esri feature service that contains a lot of useful information, including the populations by county and age groups. My goal is to group these by age bracket and then get a count or essentially limit to any that are 100,000 in population or greater. From there, I'd like those results all in one feature class. Fortunately, I've created an Iterator model tool, and so I'll be using that and nest it inside a new model. So let's look at our larger model so that we can plan our workflow. We know that whatever we bring in is going to need to be selected upon. And we have an expression that we've set for population size and age group. From there, I'm going to take my collected values, which I plan to come from the Iterator model here, and merge them in. Once merged, I'll be creating a new field and then calculating on an expression so that I can record the sum of the population of these age groups by county and state. With the workflow of the model laid out, let's go ahead and add the Model Iterator tool. We'll navigate to the ModelBuilder ribbon, click Tools, type in the name of the tool, and double-click. You'll see that it appears below. So let's take a closer look. The yellow represents the entire model, and the blue are my inputs and a parameter I had for output. The green is my output set as a parameter. This condensed format allows you to add more than just one model to your main model and keep things clean and organized. Since we'll be selecting on our layer first in our main model, we can remove the input and add criteria met as our new input. Before we connect our output to our merge tool, let's verify how we had the output in the tool. It was set as in memory, which works well for this model. We'll connect our collected values to merge, and you'll see the model light up. Once connected, we can set up our fields for the merge. We can narrow it down to just what we need. Click OK. We can verify our expressions. Our field name is going to be older population, and we already reviewed our calculated expression. One last check, we want to make sure that our output variable is ending where we'd like it to. And then now we can validate and run. Now you see the model has run. Let's take a look at our results. Perfect! You can see it's selected on those counties, as well as create a new feature class. If we right-click that feature class, we'll see our new field. Here it is, older population, and the sum that we had set in our expression. From here, we can easily streamline our attribute table and our field names. So let's recap. Using an existing model that contains the Iterator tool allows you to iterate just a subsection of the data you're wishing to use. If we return to the main model, you'll see that if we had ran the Iterator tool within this main model, it would have tried to repeatedly merge and add and calculate fields. But utilizing the Iterator as a submodel allows us to only use it for the sole purpose of extracting the information that we had selected beforehand. In addition, you can add multiple models as submodels, and they don't all have to be iterators, but they can contain them, which is a nice way to include more than one iterator inside of a model. I think this is a great stopping point. If you want to learn more about models or iterators, check our content, it's updated weekly, or contact us via our description and make a topic suggestion. This has been Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to visit us at www.tessellations.us. Also, subscribe and ring that bell.